invention is a water sterilization system called SIPS, and it's based off solar energy. So we have a reservoir where contaminated water would be, and then it flows through the system in batches where it's controlled by valves taken by an Arduino computer. And the Arduino takes in inputs of the UV light, which tells it how long the water should be in the tube, in the reflector, for it to be completely sterilized. So we also have a reflector that the tube rests on that the UV light is focused into. That breaks the hydrogen peroxide and the water. The hydrogen peroxide breaks into free radicals and kills the bacteria in the water. And so after about 7.5 minutes, 100% of the bacteria was killed. I think the most fun part was, I mean, this sounds weird, but just being able to solve a problem. So like with the UV, at first we just had them laying out in the sun with hydrogen peroxide, but then we realized that when we could focus the UV light with the reflector, that it would decrease the time even more. So even simple problems and large problems, being able to see actual results was really fun for me. I would say the most challenging part was maybe working, because we had task-based groups. So we had a team working with bacteria, a team working on the reflector, a team working on the Arduino system, and we all had to come together and be able to share our ideas and really communicate what needs to be done in each area for the whole system to work.
The idea occurred to our mentor, Mr. Steven Soder, and the idea was sort of the first part of this design process. It was kind of the given of what this was. He decided to present a solar water sterilizer as it would be an excellent exercise for students, and it became a larger thing, and we really took it and ran with it.
Our team dynamics, so we have seniors that are in our advanced chemical research class at our high school. Those seniors were holding executive positions like administrative lead and technological lead, and then they had students below them. And then we had a separate team with just juniors, because the graduation for the seniors was actually yesterday, so they couldn't make it here, and we got to work on a little bit of everything and really understand the project as a whole.
The next steps, there are two routes that we foresee. One is you do the same thing but make it a lot bigger, so you can sterilize more water faster, and making this larger does not increase the cost significantly. Either that or completely redesign it, make it very small, remove the electronic components, and make it sort of a family-sized unit that every family in a village would have one of these, and cut that cost down to as low as possible to facilitate that.